What's up, girls and guys? It's Nisha and welcome back to my channel. So y'all already know what time it is. Y'all know why we're on this video, so let's go ahead and jump right into it. Before I start this, I just want to say that this video is not sponsored in any way, shape, or form. I purchased this with my own money. I did, however, tell them that I was going to give this wig a review. So yeah, hopefully they didn't just screw me. So just going ahead and opening it. So this is how the packaging looks right out of the UPS bag or whatever. It's really cute. Kiss Love, the choice of new fashion. So y'all talking really big. Let's see if y'all can back it up, honey bun. Because I didn't really see a lot of reviews on this wig except for like Brittany Rivers and maybe like one or two other YouTube video reviews. So I was a little skeptical, and then a lot of the like personal reviews on their website was a little iffy. Like a lot of people were saying that the 250 density was really thin. In Brittany's review, she said it was really thick, which is the only reason I bought it, because I really love 250 density hair. So yeah, this is how the hair looks coming straight out the package. And I actually did get 28 inches. I got 28 inches. It's a 13 by 6, 250 density. It came with a 2 wig caps, some little lashes. It also, oh my god, period. It also came with a little brush, and it's crazy because I actually just bought one. But I really like this color. It's blue. The other one I have is pink, so. Yas, queen. Y'all, I gotta sit up, dude. I freaking hate this. It's so uncomfortable. So, right off the package, this is the hair. And I'm actually gonna insert a picture of the hair that they sent me, because I feel like this is the exact same wig. Like, I was really assuming that they were just gonna like send a picture of a good wig and then just send a crappy one, you know? But this actually looks really good, like really good, and I'm really excited. So I'm just gonna take that out of there. Look at that, honey. Look at that. Stop, and my anniversary is next month. Don't play with me. Oh my gosh, girl, y'all, look. Do the Brittany Rivers, sis. She's giving thick. She's giving full. The body. Oh my gosh. Kiss Love, girl. Y'all better stop playing with me. I'm not. Y'all gonna make me cut up with a freaking fractured ankle. Like, I'm no joke. This is how the construction of the cap looks. And like I said, this is a 13 by 6. Y'all already know a lot of companies have been doing it where they like don't give you the full 13 by 6 on the sides. Like, it's only like 2 inches. But it's still a lot of lace to work with, especially if you really like deep middle parts and stuff like that. We got 2 combs right here on the side, come in the back. This is the lace. I believe it's transparent, or yeah, I'm pretty sure it's transparent, but that looks really good. And this is how the front of it looks. It really doesn't look too pre-plucked, but that's okay because I pluck my own legs anyways, like, you know what I mean? I don't like hair. Like, I'm just in awe at this hair right now. And I normally get 26 inches, but the last AliExpress wig I got 26 inches, and it just was not giving 26. It was giving like 24. So naturally I got a wig that's a little longer. I just want to do a little density check. Look at that. And look at those ends. Beautiful. Y'all, I am so excited. Oh, for those of you guys that want to know, after I finish filming this video, I'm probably gonna film a customization video, because I really wanted to go in depth, and I actually bought hair bleach and all that stuff. So like, I really want to customize this, like, period. So yeah, if anybody wants to see that, definitely keep a lookout for that. I'll probably post it 2 days after this is posted, or maybe the next day, depending on how quickly I get everything edited. So yeah, but this wig, you guys, like, I love. It doesn't smell, it literally smells like hair. I never got, reviews like that really confuse me, because I've never gotten a wig that just smelled disgusting. You know what I mean? Like, it smells like hair. Like, you walk into a hair store, that's how the wig smells to me. That's how it always smells to me. Straight out the packaging though, literally no hair strands. There's nothing. And like I said, the hair doesn't smell. The lace looks really, really good. actually really excited to bleach these knots. I haven't bleached knots in forever. And I'm gonna dye the hair black. There you go. Like, look at all of that. Look at that thickness. You can't even see through it. Like, you can't even see the door. Where? Honey. This is how I used to check how thick my wigs were. Like, look at that. That's thick, sis. That's heavy. Oh yeah, this is really giving. This is really giving. I think I'm gonna stick to 28 inches from now on because this is giving life. Oh my gosh. But yeah, I'm still ready to customize this, so I'm gonna go. Okay, I'm gonna go. Yeah, I hope that you guys really enjoyed this video. I'll have the links to this wig in the description box below. If you guys have previously tried this hair before, or if you have any other recommendations for 250 density AliExpress wigs, comment that below as well because your girl will definitely do a review on that. So yeah, you guys, that is this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. If you like to see me do reviews, give that also a thumbs up. Comment down below any videos that you'd like to see me do in the future. And yeah, be on the lookout for my detail customization because I'm gonna try to get it. But yeah, I'll hit you guys up later. Peace out.